What are real numbers? The number you can find on number line.
Imagine a world where every point, every value has its place, where fractions, decimals, and whole ideas live together, unbroken tone. This is the realm of real numbers, complete, continuous, and infinite. From the tangible to the abstract, they're the foundation of measurement, science, and beyond. No gaps, no limits, just smooth, unending possibility. Understand the flow, master the real.
Whole numbers, decimal numbers, fractions, integers. Whole numbers will be like 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Integers, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. It means it includes negative and positive both. Now fractions. Fractions are like 1/2. It's gonna be decimal also. 2. Let's see decimals. 0.5, 0.33, 1.414, etc. Basically, decimals are terminating and repetitive. Irrational number like √2, pi, 3.14 pi value, etc. So in this irrational number, it's gonna be repeatedly, it's never ending, and repeated. There are 3 types of properties. First is commutative property. So in commutative property, what we're gonna do is, it's a swapping number. Like I'll show you, 3 plus 5 is equals to 5 plus 3. Both the answers from this equation will be same. Its answer is 8 is equals to 8. Now let's see the formula for this. A plus B is equals to B plus A. Now A times B is equals to B times A. Let's see further with some examples. Suppose I'm writing 7 plus 2 is equals to 2 plus 7. In this, both the answer will be 9 is equals to 9. In second question, with this equation, it's gonna be A times B is equals to B times A is equals to 4 times 6 is equals to 6 times 4. 24 is equals to 24. So basically, in this scenario, what is an exception? Exception is only like in the subtraction and division, order matters. You can calculate without order in addition and multiplication. in addition and multiplication, but in subtraction and division without order, the answer will be wrong. Okay, I'll tell you. Suppose if I'm writing the same equation, 7 minus 2 is equals to 2 minus 7. Now let's see. 7 minus 2 is 5 is equals to minus 5 here. So it's gonna be change in the sign. So the answer will be not same. Okay. So in the subtraction and division, the order matters. Now let's learn about associative property. So the associative property is all about like grouping, whether you add or you multiply. Then the first two numbers or the last number. I'll show you with the example. Suppose 2 plus 3 within the bracket plus 4 versus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now let's see how to use this with the formula A plus B plus C is equals to A plus B plus C. Now it's same applied with the multiplication also. A times B times C is equals to A times B times C. Let's solve one question together to see these formulas implication. Okay. Let's see how it applies to it. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3. Let's solve it together. 3 plus 3 is equals to 1 plus 5. It's gonna be 6. It's gonna be 6. Both the answers are same. Now let's see the second question together for the multiplication. 2 times 3 in the bracket times 4 is equals to 2 times 3 times 4. If we just swap the parenthesis in the numbers, so there will be no change in the answers. So 6 times 4 is equals to 2 times 12. 24, 24. The answer will be same. Whether you do it with 3 times 4, whether you do it with 2 times 3, and then 4, and then 2. Okay. So this is the property called associative property. If you try with there is also an exception. If you try with the subtraction and division, the correct order must be there. There will be no random numbers you can use. There will be a correct order every time. Like suppose I am giving you the example with this. 10 minus 2 minus 3 is not equals to 10 minus 2 minus 3. We can solve to see why it's not equals to. 10 minus 2 is 8 times minus 3 equals to 10 minus 1 is equals to 8 minus 3 is 5 is equals to 11. So 5 and 11, they are not equals to each other. So this property is not applied to subtraction or division. Only multiplication and addition it applies to it. Third property is distributive property. So let's learn about distributive property with the example. First of all, I am telling you the formula. A times B plus C is equals to A times B plus A times C. Next, A times B minus C is equals to A times B minus A times C. Let's see how we use these formulas into the questions. Okay? Example 1. I'm taking one question. Suppose 3 times 4 plus 5. So 3 times 4 plus 5 is equals to 3 times 4 plus 3 times 5. We separate it individually. Okay? It's gonna be 12 plus 15. Answer will be 27. Now let's check together. The answer will be right or not. This answer 27 is right or not? Let's see together. 5, if I add together, 4 plus 5 is equals to 9. If I add together and then multiply with 3, the answer must be 27. Okay, to check it, 27. So 27 is the answer. It means the answer is matching. Okay, 9 times 3 is equals to 27. So the answer is correct. I checked with the question. Now I'm giving you one more question to you. 2 times x minus 3. Do solve and comment your answer in the comment section. And one thing more, you're gonna tell me that division will work or not in this distributive property. We will discuss some more examples with the practice in the